Good morning. My name is Matthew and I'm with the global marketing team at FocalScope. Today I'm going to walk us through the process of setting up a security group. But before we get started, let's define a security group. A security group is a preset group of FocalScope users with similar security settings. It's important to note that we will require system administrative privileges in order to add a new security group. In previous videos, we have walked through the process of setting up a new user in FocalScope, Jason Jones, a help desk agent responsible for the Danish market. We have also set up a ticket box for Jason and his colleagues to communicate with customers. But what if we have many help desk agents handling many different countries and nations, but we want only Jason and his teammates to be able to see the customer support Denmark ticket box? This is a job for security groups. In FocalScope, we can limit shared functionalities to an individual, small group, or to everyone. To access, manage, edit, and create security groups, let's log in as root again with a password that we selected during the installation process. We need to go to the screen in the uppermost toolbar and choose Administration. In the Administration screen, we will choose to open the folder User Access Control in the left pane. Within that folder, we then select the security groups item. Once selected, we will see a list of all the previously created security groups. We have already created users, ticket boxes, and a security group for our Swedish help desk team, as we see in the right-hand pane. Now we need to create one for our Danish customer support group, including Jason and his teammates. Let's right-click in the right pane, and then choose New from the drop-down menu. We'll now be in the Security Group's Properties window. We need to give the security group a name, like Customer Support Denmark, and use the same for the description. We then select the Add button, and then choose Jason along with his teammates Alice, Bob, and Charles from the list. Lastly, click OK, and now this security group has been created. Now let's revisit our ticket box, Customer Support Denmark, to apply these security features. As we stated in the earlier video, a ticket box, unless specified otherwise, is visible to everyone by default. Let's scroll down to the Folders, Access, and Properties tab at the bottom of the left pane and select it. In the left pane, let's now right-click on the Customer Support Denmark ticket box and select Properties. In the Properties window, let's scroll right to the Security tab. Here we'll be able to see to which, if any, security groups this ticket box belongs. In our case, this ticket box is viewable to everyone. So we need to unclick the Inherit Properties from Parent folder box at the bottom of the window before we begin. Now we also need to go back to the top of the window, select the Everyone field, and then press Remove. Let's now select Add. We have a choice of security groups here, so let's select the Customer Support Denmark group and press OK. Back in the Security tab, let's press OK at the bottom again. Now, this ticket box is viewable only by Jason and his colleagues that we specified earlier in the video. For reference purposes, let's just show you the view of Frank, Jason's colleague who handles Sweden. Since we didn't configure him earlier to be able to view this folder, when we browse to the left pane of his workspace in Shared Folders, the ticket box Customer Support Denmark is not visible. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions about configuring FocalScope, please contact your FocalScope representative or visit us directly at www.focalscope.com. We are always working on new and innovative ways to improve FocalScope's functionality and experience for our users. We welcome your suggestions. Thank you for your time and interest in FocalScope.